Hello students, welcome back. Today I am back with one more problem which I have chosen from the VTU model question paper of the fresh 25 scheme. And also I request you to please go through the playlist and the courses and refer the other videos and all other topics which I covered for Engineering Mathematics 1 VTU syllabus. And I am 100% sure that if you refer those videos, you will be able to clear the Engineering Mathematics 1 exam paper very easily and score excellent marks. And also, as exams are around the corner, please do the favor of sharing these videos with your classmates and study groups as much as possible so that they can also clear the paper easily. And also, if you are new to this channel, then please don't forget to subscribe. Now let's solve this problem here. This is a problem on vector differentiation. They have given f is equal to one function x square y z, and the other function is given as g is equal to x y minus 3 z square. So they are asking to find here, calculate del into what? Del of f into del of g. So we need to first find del of f and del of g. Okay. So what is del of f? Del of f is nothing but, see, if you have referred my previous videos on the topic of vector differentiation, I discussed that the del is called as a differential operator. Del is equal to dou by dou x of I plus dou by dou I of j plus dou by dou z of k. That's it. Okay. So that means I write here del is what? Dou by dou x of I plus dou by dou I of j plus dou by dou z of k whole into what is f? X square yz. That's all. Okay. Again, one more time, we need to find del f. Agreed. What is f given? X square yz. Del f. Del meaning is what? Del means dou by dou x of I plus dou by dou I of j plus dou by dou x of k into what is f? X square yz. That's it. Now, that means that implies del of f equals to. So here, this x square yz is differentiated partially with respect to x, y and z separately here. That means we have dou by dou x of I into x square yz plus dou by dou I of j into x square yz plus dou by dou z of k into x square yz. Okay, fine. Now let's differentiate. So we have del of f is equal to dou by dou x, means we are partially differentiating only with respect to x. Again, carefully listen here. Dou by dou x means only x terms. Only the x terms. See, x square into yz. Yz is multiplied, so yz don't touch it. Yz as it is, differentiation of x square is 2x. That's it. Into I plus dou by dou y means only the y terms, again x square yz. So x square into z, keep as it is, don't touch it. Dou by dou y of y, differential y is 1 into j plus dou by dou z of, that means only differentiate with respect to the z terms. See, x square y as it is, see, it is multiplied, don't touch it, into dou by dou z of z. Differentiation of z is again 1. That's it, into k. This is my del f. So I found del f here. Okay, fine. Now let's find del of g. So right here, we have g is equal to x y minus 3 z square. Again the same stuff, del of g is equal to, the meaning of del is dou by dou x of I plus dou by dou y of j plus dou by dou z of k whole into xy minus 3z square. Okay. Now, del into g equals, again see, dou by dou x of r into this whole xy, that is the function g, xy minus 3z square is partially differentiated with x, then y, then z separate. Dou by dou f I into xy minus 3z square plus dou by dou y of j into xy minus 3z square plus dou by dou z of k into xy minus 3z square. That's it. Okay. So let's differentiate this. Now del of g is equal to see dou by dou x of, here you are partially differentiating only with respect to x. So concentrate here how I am doing it, because you will go wrong here. See, I am partially differentiating only with respect to x. So x is only here. Am I right? There is no x here. 3z is a constant. So differentiation of constant is 0. So only differentiation of dou by dou x of xy with respect to x is y as it is. Differentiation of x is 1 into I. That's all. Plus now dou by dou y of, again see, y. I am differentiating partially only with respect to y. Pay close attention here. Only with respect to what? Y. So x I am not touching it as it is. Differentiation of into is there. So differentiation y is 1. 3z square minus 3z square, there is no y term, so 0. That's all. Into g. Plus lastly dou by dou z. See here. Dou by dou z of xy. Z means z is only here. Alright. So dou by dou z of xy 0, no z term, minus differentiation of 3z square. Z square is 2z. So 2 into 3 6. So 6z into k. That's it. So we found del f and we found del g. Now as per the question or the problem, we need to find del f into del g. Dot product. That implies del f into del g is equal to. So what's that? Del f is, let's take this in bracket, 2x y z into I plus x square z into j, lastly plus x square y into k. Okay. Into, now again write properly, okay, into what's del g? Y into I plus x into j minus 6z into k. So let's multiply it, and as you know that del f into del of g will be equal to, and as you all know, I into I is 1, j into j is 1, k into k is 1 in vector differentiation. Okay, I have discussed in details in the previous problems, so please refer the videos on the playlist. So I into I is 1, j into j is 1, k into k is 1, and I into j into k, k into I, what's 0. So we don't need that. So wherever there is I will go to I, j will go to j, and k will go to k. That's it. So I into I is 1, j into j 1, k into k 1. So I into I will follow I. So 2xyz plus into 2xyz into yi. I is 1. So 2x y into y square z. That's it. Plus again x square z j, x square z j into xj. J into j is 1. So x square into x is x cube. X cube. I hope you're following this. X square into x is x cube into z. J into j is 1. And lastly see, k goes to k, k into k is 1. But here plus into minus 6 x square y into z. That's it. Okay. So now as we have found del f into del j, we will again find del of. Again that implies del of, again del f into del g is equal to, what is del? See, simple here. The meaning of del, the differential operator is what? Dou by dou x of I plus dou by dou y of j plus dou by dou z of k. That's it. So again apply del here as you applied here. What is del? Dou by dou x of I plus dou by dou y of j plus dou by dou z of k into, what is the multiplied product here? Del f into del g is 2xy square z, 2xy square z and plus x cube z minus 6x square y z. Okay. So we will follow the same process. That will be equal to, now dou by, I am writing each and every step for you to clearly understand so that you don't make any mistake and you understand this perfectly. So watch it, sir. Again, dou by dou x, see, is that in this function. That means again this whole factor will be differentiated with x, then with y, then z. So this whole factor is what? 2x y square z plus x cube z minus 6 x square yz. Okay, dou by dou x of I into, similarly plus dou by dou y of k into, dou by dou of j into 2x y square z plus x cube z minus 6 x square yz. Lastly, plus dou by dou z of k into, as it is, so this is 2x y square z plus x cube z minus 6 x square yz. Okay, done. Now let's find the whole solution here. That implies we have, therefore it implies, as for the question, del of f into del of g is equal to, what's that? Dou by dou x, again dou by dou x. See, x is here, x is here, x is here. Okay, that means dou by dou x 2y square z as it is, differentiation x is 1 only, plus x cube z. What is that? X cube z. Now z as it is with respect to only x, right? Differentiation x cube is what? 3x square plus 3x square into z plus, minus dou by dou x again. See, x is here. So 6yz as it is. Agreed? 6yz as it is. Dou by dou x, x. Differentiation x square is 2x. 2 6 at 12. I write directly 12 x y z into I plus, what is the next one? Dou by dou y of j into dou by dou y. Only the y term, y is here, y is here. There is no y here, so obviously differentiation constant is 0. So dou by dou y, see, 2x as it is. Agreed? Dou by dou y means only differentiate y square, since it is multiplied. Differentiation y square is 2y. 2 2s are 4. So 4x y z. Done. Understood? Now again, here there is no y term, so 0. So, but y is here. See, minus 6x square z as it is. Differentiation y is 1. That's it. Because y is only single term, y is integer. Plus again, lastly, dou by dou z of. Now here see, z is here, z is here, z is here, z is here. Okay, done. So now, dou by dou z of 2x square y as it is, because differentiation of z is 1, plus z x cube as it is, again differentiation of z is 1 only. Okay, lastly, minus 6. See, dou by dou z, we are differentiating only with respect to z here. So z is only here. So z 6x square y as it is into differentiation of z is 1 into k. That's all. That's the solution. So we have found a solution for what they are asked in the problem. Let us calculate del into bracket del f into del g is equal to, this is the solution. That's all. Okay, I hope you clearly understood the solution here. It's easy only. So you need to only use the del operator and find the respective differentiation of functions here. But only main thing is the partial differentiation where you may go wrong. So the best practice to make the solution perfect is to practice and practice more. I hope you'll do it. So that's all for today's video. I'll be coming up with more videos, and also next I'll be coming up with the solution of the entire model question paper for the fresh 25 scheme. So please stay updated, share this video with your friends and classmates as much as possible, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video with more interesting problems. Till then, bye.